The case in which Nivelle Muchangwa, the son of Women's Affairs Minister Monica Muchangwa and ZANU-PF spokesperson Chris Muchangwa, is facing charges of illegal dealing with foreign currency and money laundering, took a new twist after High Court Judge Esther Muremba recused herself from the case, citing personal reasons. According to media reports, Judge Chris Nivelle Muchangwa's case after being summoned to the State House. Justice Muremba felt intimidated after meeting with President Mnangagwa, Justice Minister Ziyambi and Nivelle's Monica Muchangwa.
The matter was referred to the JP's office for judge allocation.
Sorry?
I said the matter was referred back to the JP for allocation of another judge.
Let's get to hear what you think about all this. Thank you for watching the Red Corner YouTube channel. Please subscribe.